ඉතින් අපි බ්ලඩ් ටිෂු එක ඉවර කරානේ. බ්ලඩ් ටිෂු ඉවර කරානේ. මට දාන්න මෙසේජ් එකක් yes or no. Right now, today we are going to study the aerial tissue. Right, the actual kind of fibrous tissue, connective tissues actually. Right, then there are several classifications in connective tissues. Here I am not going to explain each and every classification here. Okay, we have already classified them as simple way. අපි දැන් දැනටමත් ඔක classify කරලා තියෙනවා connective tissues කියන එක. හරිද? Then this is actually that is known as proper connective tissues. Right, types of proper connective tissues. All right, this is the actually type of connective tissue that is known as proper connective tissue. Right, they already
Sir, mute වෙලා තියෙන්නේ.
aerial tissues. හරි, අපි කතා කරන්නේ ඊළඟට aerial tissues කතා කරන්නේ. Write down next one. Aerial tissue. Aerial tissue. Aerial tissue. Okay, this tissue should have these three components. One is cells, other one is matrix, and fibers. These are the three components which can be commonly found in connective tissues, right? Then cells, matrix, fibers. Then these are the three components. Then there are several types of cells. We are going to study what are the types of cells that are in areolar tissue or loose connective tissues, right? And what type of matrix which can be seen in this type of tissue. Another one is fibers. What are the fibers? And there are three types of fibers. Here we are going to study these three types of fibers like collagen, reticulate fibers. Likewise, there are three types of fibers in matrix. Okay. Then here you have given the simple descriptions in resource book, but I am going to give you the little bit descriptive one, right? No matter, then compare with the note that is in resource book, right? That is very simple note is given here, but I am going to explain little bit descriptive form. Okay, right? Here write down first one, aerial tissue. And the tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue. The tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue. Tissue type in the vertebrate body. This tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue. Tissue type in the vertebrate body. this tissue is the most widely distributed connective tissue type in the vertebrate body. Right here, I'm read this statement, this point, the yellow colored one. This can be considered as a generalized type of connective tissues. This can be considered as the generalized, stroke typical type of connective tissue. This can be considered as a generalized stroke typical type of connective tissues. Right, actually, because they have cells, then matrix as well as fibers, right? Normally, the most of the cells can be found in matrix, other than the blood cells, blood tissue, or the cartilage or the bones. There are a number of cells can be found in matrix, right? Therefore, they are known as typical or generalized type of connective tissues. Then tissue which can be present, number of cells that can be present in other tissues also. Number of cells as well as the types of fibers. Then there are 3 types of fibers in matrix and other materials that are in matrix. Therefore, they are known as generalized. Again, generalized scale again. ගොඩක් cells වර්ග ගොඩක් කීප ගොඩාක් වර්ගයක් මේකේ තියෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් සමහර fibers තියෙනවා සමහර connective tissues වල විතරයි හම්බෙන්නේ fibers. නමුත් මේකේ ඒ fibers ටික ඔක්කොම හම්බෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒකින්ද මේකට කියනවා generalized නැත්නම් typical type of connective tissue. Typical animal cells, typical plant cells, likewise typical connective tissues or generalized connective tissue. Okay, next write down. Write down, tissue has widely distributed matrix and matrix and cells. Matrix and cells scattered matrix and cells scattered throughout the throughout the matrix. Throughout the matrix. There are 3 main types of fibers. 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 First one, collagen fibers. Second one, elastic fibers. Collagen fibers. Second one, elastic fibers. Third one, reticulate fibers. Collagen fibers, elastic fibers. Third one, reticulate fibers. Collagen fibers, elastic fibers, reticulate fibers. Right, first of all, write down the subheading matrix. 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 Write down first point. Matrix is gelatinous, semi-solid. Matrix is gelatinous and semi-solid. matrix is gelatinous and semi-solid. Then actually there are three, we have studied that there are three types of matrices. There are three types of matrices. One is liquid matrices. Liquid matrix that containing blood tissue. Second one, solid matrix. Solid matrix. Solid matrix can be found in cartilage and bones. Third one, semi-solid matrix that can be found in areolar tissue or loose connective tissue. Right? Therefore, they have semi-solid matrix, gelatinous semi-solid matrix. Next one, second one, mucopolysaccharide. 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 And glycoprotein. Mucopolysaccharide and mucopolysaccharide and glycoprotein are the most abundant materials in matrix. The most abundant materials in matrix. The most abundant materials in matrix. Right, next one, cells. Cells. There are many types of cells in the matrix. Then here we have discussed about the blood tissue. They have only three types of cells in their matrix. Then actually blood plasma. First one, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelet. But here the number of cells are in matrix. Right. Okay. Now write down the types of cells that are in matrix. Then here you have given some of the cells in the matrix of areolar tissue. Right? මම නම් කීපයක් දෙනවා ඔයා ඒ වගේ මේ පොතේ තියෙන ටික වල අඩැප්ට් කරලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලා ගන්න ඉච්චරයි. හරි ඔය ටඩිය cells තියෙනවා නේ. හරි these are the cells. Write down. First one, fibroblast. Right, I write that. Fibroblast. Second one, macrophages. Fibroblast, macrophages. Other one is mast cells. Next one, leukocytes. That means white blood cells. Next one, fat cells or adipose cells. Fat cells, adipose cells. Next one, these are the actually types of cells that are in resource group, these cells. But here the other cells that are not stated in resource group, plasma cell. Write down these cells too. Mewa dapo liyan na plasma cell, mesenchymal cell, Thymal cell, mesenchymal cell. Melanocytes, sites. And actually, especially leukocyte white blood cells are in neutrophils and here write down these are the two types of white blood cells. Neutrophils, lymphocytes. And these are two types of white blood cells. Okay, these are the other cells, other than the cells that are in resource groups. Then write down all the cells, but here you have to understand the nature of these types of cells. Okay, now write down these cells. You're a Liela? Message Jatian? Right. Now we have to draw the diagram here. Okay. अरे diagram में खानी नहीं है इधर आएंगे. Right, then actually these are the types of fibers then with have wavy nature. This is known as collagen fibers. This is collagen fibers. Okay. Then there are the branch fibers like this. Right. Other types. Then you can observe three types of fibers here. Then the fibers with wave in nature, that is actually collagen fibers. Then blue color one is reticulate fibers, right? Other one is elastic fibers. Red one is elastic fibers. There are three types of fibers in matrix. That is the matrix. I'm going to draw the arrangement of matrix here. That is matrix. Now here number of cells are there. Then here we are going to draw the cells. Then normally the fibroblasts which can secrete fibers, right, can be found closely to the each of fibers, right? Then here now I'm going to draw the fibroblasts. That is fibroblast. Right, these are fibroblasts. This is fat cells. So adipose cells. Adipose cells. Right, adipose cells. Then adipose cells. Muscles. Macrophages. हर diagram में काफी नहीं. එකල message එකක් තියන්න මට. අද level එක message එකක් තියන්න ඕන මේක. කීප දෙනෙක් තියන්නෝ. ඉවරද? Right, we'll label. Now you can දැන් මේක ඔයාලා පාඩම් කරන්න මේවා කරන්න යන්න එපා. මේ කියන්නේ මේක ඇඳලා පුරුදු වෙන්න එහෙම මොනවද මොන මතක තියාගන්න. What are the cells that are in that is in matrix, right? And how they arrange. Okay, now we label it. මේක මහන්න. ඔයාලා පොඩි කොටුවක් මෙහෙම ගහ ගන්න වටේට. අර කොටුවෙන් එළියට ලේබල් කරන්න. තේරුණා මම කියපේ. මේක වටේට අවුට්ලයින් එකක් ගහලා like this way. මේකේ මොහොම කොටුවක් ගහ ගන්න ඔය විදිහට. කොටුවෙන් එළියට ලේබල් කරන්න. Right. First one, macrophages. 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 Reticulate fibers. Reticulate fibers. Reticulate fibers. Collagen fibers. Then these are fibroblasts. Which secrete fibers. Fibers gawa my name. Fibroblasts will incarnate fibers secrete which secrete fibers. This is also fibroblasts. And these are fat cells. Or adipose cells. elastic fibers. Elastic fibers. And here there are some other cells. They are getting plasma cells, you know, you can draw this. Plasma cells. You are any? And these are plasma cells. Plasma cell. This is matrix. Gelatin. Or semi-solid. Matrix. Gelatinous semi-solid matrix. देखना था इतने तीन हजार की नहीं मूव करना बड़ा अरे लिवर है